Today I'm going to teach you how to use a free plugin that helps me edit 10 times faster and keeps me focused without being distracted. Let's get straight into it. So we're inside of Premiere Pro over here, and I'm gonna get distracted because it's kind of boring. So I'm gonna go ahead to Window, and I'm going to go to Extensions, and I'm gonna open up the Lock-In plugin. So the Lock-In plugin is a Pomodoro timer inside of Premiere Pro, but it also has a bunch of other cool features inside of it. So if you don't know what the Pomodoro timer is, it's basically like 25 minutes of work and then 5 minutes break. And if you see, if we play it out, we have this nice cool animation to like ease your mind, and you can basically just work until this timer's done. And the goal is to, hold yourself accountable. You have to stay focused. I mean, that's on you, but this plugin should be there to help you keep you accountable. And if you want to reset the timer, you can just do that by resetting the timer. And the cool thing about this too is that you can view your stats. So you can see how many streaks you have. I have a 0-day streak right now, sorry. And then you can also see how many minutes you've focused total and then how many sessions. Now, the coolest thing about this though is that you'll see over here, it also says points. So we have 50 points, and what are you gonna do with these points? So another cool thing about this is that there's a shop feature. So as you see, there's different video game themes. There's Minecraft, there's Super Mario Bros, there's Animal Crossing, and we can literally just apply whichever ones we want depending on how many points we have. So the more study sessions that you study, the more points you'll get, and then you can unlock themes. And let's do the Minecraft one because I unlocked that one. If I hit apply, boom, look at this. Our entire plugin is now Minecraft, and we're basically playing Minecraft or it looks like Minecraft inside of Premiere Pro, which is really cool, really fun. And I can just basically do the same features as I can in the original plugin, but it's all Minecraft themed. And then there's also some fun inspirational quotes up here to just, keep you motivated. It's supposed to help you feel like you're working on fun stuff or playing a video game, but in reality, you're just editing Premiere Pro. And you might also notice that over here, there is a red X button. So this is called the anti-rewatch filter. So the anti-rewatch filter is really simple. It's really simple to hack to keep your mind staying focused. So one of the biggest distractors for most video editors is we rewatch our videos, right? We make an edit and then we're like, oh my goodness, that edit is so cool. And then we kind of rewatch it and we're like, oh, maybe I might change the color of this. Actually, let me rewatch it one more time. Oh, let me rewatch it again. And we actually end up spending around 46% of the time editing just rewatching our videos, which is pretty crazy. So a way that you can prevent this from happening is you can use an anti-rewatch filter. Anti-rewatch filter is simply a overlay that just tells you that you've already finished this segment and it's time to move on. So let's say this intro part right here, I'm like, all right, I'm already done with this. I want to move on. I'm going to apply our anti-rewatch filter, and boom, just like that, it locks my screen. So whenever I get to this point, I see this purple lock. I'm like, oh, I'm supposed to not be watching this. Let's move on to the next part. And this is just a really simple way to hack your mind to remind yourself, I should stay focused. I should stop rewatching my videos. And it really saves me a lot of time. Such a simple hack. Yes, you can do this with, whatever overlays you want, but this plugin makes it super easy, and it's literally just a click of a button. Maybe if purple is not a good reminder, you can change it to red. You can just do whatever you want to remind yourself that you need to stop rewatching and it's time to move on. So that's pretty much the Lock-In plugin. I just wanted to show you guys because it's really a tool that helps me edit faster and stay focused. And best yet, it's completely for free. So all you have to do to download it is go into the link in the description, enter your email, and it'll be sent to your account. Just download it and enter the license key that comes in the email, and boom, just like that, you have the Lock-In plugin completely for free. Hope you guys found this useful. Now, if you want to learn how to automatically edit your B-roll highlight selects and trim out all the shaky and blurry parts automatically, you can check out this video on this AI plugin linked right here.